Alright, here we go with box number 2. Hopefully we can get something even better out of this. Went back over the last one. I guess I did a little better than I thought there. If not, we've got 3 more of these coming in this week and should get something spectacular out of one of them. The odds are in your favor when you get that many, I guess. Do 9 packs each again. Hopefully I'm not giving away the good stack again. There's always some kind of order to the way they package these. Base. We got something there.
Stan Mikita.
There's a Stan Mikita SP Extreme 31 out of 99. 9.99, sorry. It's an okay rookie for Colorado, Jeff Finger. Pretty sure they like him down there.
Here we go. Drew Miller.
Got the rookie auto already here. Number 606 out of 9.99, Drew Miller for the Ducks. 2 black jerseys. Pretty good there too. I get decoys. All base. All base again. I'd suggest buying the right stack out of a box. Out of these last 2 anyway. Oh, a redemption. Well, I thought this one would be numbered to $4.99, but it's to $9.99. It's the auto rookie jersey redemption for Mark Stahl, the youngest Stahl brother. Don't know if you can see that, but that's 2 rookie auto jerseys out of it, so can't complain about that. See how long it takes to get it. Got a Gaborik dual jersey card here, both white. I'm glad that our extra was another rookie auto. Seem to get 1 extra of something out of these. This is another rookie that they've only put on the SP Extreme, the Sam Gagner for the Oilers at a $9.99.
This says Mr. Hockey.
Just a Gordie Howe base. Already got one. Pretty good duel here, not numbered though. 2-color Henrik Zetterberg, Pavel Datsyuk for the Red Wings. Couple packs left here, probably another decoy. Yes, the left stack has the decoys.
Okay.
And the base. Okay, we'll probably try it out of the next one and I'll get the opposite anyway, so. The Zetterberg Extreme out of $9.99. Last pack. There should be jersey left, I think. Another Oilers rookie, Tom Gilbert. This is a 2-color out of $15.99. And that's it for the second box.